This video explains how to set up print content position inspection, as shown on the screen. This is the label used in this demonstration. Check the print template. The QR code position needs to be inspected. When the QR code position shifts by more than 1 mm, it should be detected. Return to the inspection interface. A barcode recognition module needs to be added. Use the barcode recognition module to cover the QR code. The barcode recognition frame should be enlarged appropriately. After the selection is completed, click Gear in the barcode recognition module. Under Display Properties, select the Display X coordinate and Y coordinate. Drag the coordinates to the upper left corner of the screen. Display the X and Y coordinates in different positions. Now start the template. Right-click and select the B-Series camera module, then choose Simulate Design Frame. At this point, check the position of the label under normal conditions. The X coordinate is 9.08. The Y coordinate is 14.08. After confirming the coordinates, click the Data Check module in the module menu bar. Select the barcode X coordinate as the input to be validated. Enable range validation. Set a validation rule to check whether the X coordinate deviation exceeds 1 mm. Since the standard X coordinate is 9.08, enter the validation rule, X8, 2 and an X10, 2. Similarly, add another data check module to validate the Y coordinate. Select the Y coordinate from the barcode recognition module as the input to be verified. Enable range validation. Set the rule. Since the standard Y coordinate is 14.08, enter X13, 2 and an X15, 2. The above completes the position inspection setup. Start the template. Enter the printing interface. Input a print job for one normal label. Then input print jobs for 2 labels with abnormal barcode positions. Return to the inspection interface. Errors were detected on both the second and third labels. The error occurred in the range check. Check the detailed information. The second label failed because the QR code position shifted upward. This caused the range validation error. The third label failed because the QR code position shifted to the right. This caused the range validation error. The above demonstrates label print content position inspection.